Hi student, now we are going to start our level number 2, and that in which we are going to learn the plus 10 complements, right? So what are the plus 10 complement? I am going to tell you that. So first we have to start the plus 1 is equal to plus 10 minus 9. So plus 2 is equal to plus 10 minus 8. Plus 3 is equal to plus 10 minus 7. So how we will use it, I will tell you later in the video. I will teach you each and everything, right? So these are the formula we will use in the plus 10 complement. Plus 10 minus 6 plus 5 is equal to plus 10 minus 5 plus 6 is equal to plus 10 minus 4 and plus 7 is equal to plus 10 minus 3 and plus 8 is equal to what will be the plus 10 minus 2 and plus 9 is equal to plus 10 minus 1. So these are the formula in which we have to use in the plus 10 complement, right? Plus 2 is equal to plus 8 plus 10 minus 8 plus 3 is equal to plus 10 minus 7 and plus 4 is equal to plus 10 minus 6 plus 5 is equal to plus 10 minus 5 plus 6 is equal to plus 10 minus 4 plus 7 is equal to plus 10 minus 3 plus 8 is equal to plus 10 minus 2 and the last one is plus 9 is equal to plus 10 minus 1. So these are the plus 10 complements, friends. We also call it big friends plus 10 complement, right? Okay, first I am going to teach you how to do on the tool. These complement we will use it on the tool, and then later on I will teach you how to do on the finger, right? So first the question, look at here, the question number 1 is plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 plus 6. So how we will do? Plus 9 plus 1 plus 10 minus 9. I have teach you that plus 10 complement plus 1 is equal to plus 10 minus 9, right? So now plus 1 again direct. Now plus 6. So the answer is called 1 7 17. So we will write here 17, right? Now the next question, plus 4 plus 5 9. So I have to add 1 again. So plus 10 minus 9. This is the formula. So again plus 2 here. So the answer is 1 to 12. We got the answer 12, right? Third question. In the third question it is written here plus 8 plus 1 9 and plus 1 again. So plus 10 minus 9 and plus 5 direct. So the answer is called 15. 1 5 15. In these 3 questions I have used the plus 1, right? So now these 2 questions I will use it plus 2. How to add plus 2 in 8? So I am going to teach you plus 8 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1. So direct plus 8, then plus 2 plus 10 minus 8 plus 10 minus 8 plus 7 plus 1. So the answer is called 1 8 18. And the next question is plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 and plus 6 plus 4 and plus 4. What we will do, we have to use the plus 5 complement, right? So plus 5 minus 1 8 and then 2. How you will add 2? Plus 10 minus 8 and then 6 plus 6 direct. So the answer is called 1 6 16. Today I have used the 2 numbers like plus 1, how to use plus 1 and how to do the questions plus 2, right? So tomorrow I will teach you the next one.